Today we'll talk about how can you change name on your Waplog app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on this sign down here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on name. So when you just click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then here can you change your name, and you click here on save, then it's going to save with you here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.